don't need to fight the messy middle or start over. There's a way to move through it and actually enjoy the process again. I thought I'd try something a little different with this video. Instead of explaining what I'm doing, because you've probably already seen me do this a million times, you'll just watch me paint in time lapse while I talk about something I think a lot of artists struggle with: how to fall back in love with your painting process. By the way, if you don't know me, I'm Janine, I'm an artist and I share my creative journey on this channel. We've all been there. You start painting, feeling excited, layering colours, making bold marks, but then at some point you feel stuck. The painting looks messy, you don't know how to fix it. You're starting to doubt your abilities as an artist, and suddenly that creative energy turns into frustration. You try adding another layer, then another, but nothing seems to make it better, and you wonder why this feels so hard. Why are you not enjoying this anymore? The thing is, painting intuitively, exploring marks, playing with colours is fun, especially at the beginning when you have endless possibilities, but it's a lot more fun when you know how to move through the messy middle instead of getting stuck in it. That's where composition comes in. Once you know how to step back, assess, and make intentional changes, you stop feeling so lost. Instead of aimlessly adding more layers, you can actually see what needs to shift to bring the painting together. So how do you actually get out of the messy middle and back to enjoying the process? Here's what helps me. First, stop and ask yourself, what's one thing that's working? Instead of focusing on what's wrong, find one color, shape, or mark that you love. Start there. It will help you guide where your painting wants to go. Next, step back and check your composition. Where does your eye go first? Is there enough variety in the size of your marks? Is there enough contrast? Does it feel dynamic? Small tweaks in composition can instantly bring more clarity to your painting. And finally, let go of the pressure to finish. Not every painting needs to be resolved today. Sometimes giving it space is what helps everything fall into place. Once you learn how to move through the challenges, they don't feel like roadblocks anymore. They just feel like part of the journey. So if you're feeling stuck right now, I hope this reminds you it's just a stage and you can learn the skills you need to move through it. And one of the most important skills you can learn is how to refine your composition. That's exactly what I teach inside Composition for Intuitive Abstracts, with a simple step-by-step framework to help you turn your messy paintings into beautiful, intentional pieces. If that sounds interesting to you, sign up to the waitlist via the link in the description box. And for more messy middle painting inspiration, take a look at the videos I've linked below. Thanks and bye bye.